Train today. Excel tomorrow. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been around, welcome back. We're grateful for you. Now let's get started. Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to give you an update on the meeting I had with our IT manager this week. We encountered a few issues during the meeting, but were able to quickly resolve them. One of the managers had reported that their employees were not receiving mandatory weekly forms. Our forms are automated and sent through an API, so when I heard about this issue, I became immediately concerned. Upon investigating the situation, we discovered that our QA team member needed to update the forms in spreadsheets and potentially schedule another training session. There are also a lot of positive initiatives that can result from providing feedback and constructive criticism to staff, including increased motivation, improved relationships, higher productivity, better teamwork, enhanced learning opportunities, increased job satisfaction, and improved decision-making. On the flip side of that, if a manager ignores negative behaviors, skills, and traits from an employee, several consequences may occur, such as decreased performance, decreased morale, poor employee relations, decreased employee engagement, missed opportunities for improvement, and increased turnover. I also shared with the IT manager what needed to be completed and how to complete the spreadsheets. We also discussed the progress of the mobile app team and their current tasks, such as the completed job search tool / search results page and the mobile app project tracking spreadsheet. The IT manager will be following up with the mobile app team on these items at our next meeting. Furthermore, the IT manager is making sure that her onboarding admin sets up some time to train our management team on smart recruiters, as some managers may be required to use this platform if they are responsible for hiring in their division. We also briefly discussed the first steps to onboarding a new hire and decided that the new hire will work with the mobile app team. The IT manager will introduce her to the team next week. Overall, the meeting was productive and we were able to address and resolve any issues that arose. If you've visited the w.r.a.c website or have worked for this organization, you understand why this work is so important to us all. Please visit, follow, and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok at w.r.a.c. Check us out on LinkedIn at w.r.a.c. and Connections, and follow the owner's personal page. You can also follow us on Twitter at @w.r.a.c. We also have a new fanbase page and a second TikTok page called Career Catcher, where we discuss corporate training. Don't forget to check out our website. And be sure to email us questions you may have.